Hey, it's John from Action Services, and one of the frequently asked questions which we get from our clients is why some interlocking drivers sink and other ones don't. And the reality is not what you see at the top. What dictates the longevity of the product is what's at the bottom of the driveway. So in order to prevent the interlocking driveway from sinking and to make sure that the driveway would actually last very long, there are a few very important steps which will be required. First one is how much gravel foundation are we going to have under the driveway. Typical driveway would require minimum 12 inches of gravel to sometimes 18 or 24 inches depending on the type of soil you have. Once the gravel is done, the next thing which needs to be installed is a geotextile. Geotextile is the material which will prevent the aggregates from getting mixed with soil. So think of it this way: if you put the gravel and you put it right on top of stone and I'm gonna step in, this gravel now gets sink right into soil. Now, by us putting a geotextile, we prevent aggregates from getting mixed with sub-native soils, which allows us to make sure that the aggregates would always stay clean. Secondly, geotextile would also allow us to make sure that the ground would have extra stabilization. Once this is done, a really important point is the compaction machines which are used to compact this gravel. You can install 2 inches of gravel, 12 inches of gravel, or 22 inches of gravel, or even 6 feet. But if you don't have the machine strong enough to compact this gravel will eventually sink down. Now, in order to make sure that our gravel is going to be rock solid, we're using a commercial grade diesel plate compactors. The weight of this machine is about 2,500 pounds and is really strong and powerful unit, which has a lot of force and a power to compress the gravel down. And once this is done, this is how we create a really strong foundation for our driveways to last very long. Once this is done, we will then be leveling the ground and installing pavers of the client's choice. But the most important elements of any interlocking driveway construction, whether you're doing it in Toronto or anywhere else in Ontario, is to make sure that you have a proper foundation. The proper gravel foundation is the key to success of a very longevity driveways. And if you're looking for a contractor or a company who can install an interlocking driveways, Action Services are the best to call.